So in this video we will be covering the types of numbers. But the old viewers know that I had made part 1, so the link is in description. So this is part 2. So let's start. So prime numbers are numbers which have only 2 factors. But what are factors? Do you know? So I will tell you further in this video. So prime numbers are numbers which have only 2 factors which can divide a number without any remainder. Such as 5. It can be divided by 1 and 5 only. So now I'll give you an exercise. Put the prime number here. So the numbers which are in red are the prime numbers. So we know that those are prime numbers. But what are the underlying digits? 8 and 9. So here comes the next. So composite numbers are numbers which have more than 2 factors. Means it has more divisors which can divide the number without leaving any remainder. Such as 10, which has more than 2 factors, as you can see. Now this is very important for the one studying class 6. For this we need something called the number line. So on the right hand side we have 0, 1 and 2, and in the left hand side we have -1 and -2. So when we take the ones with minus sign, these are called negative numbers, and when we take the ones without any sign, these are called positive numbers. And 0, it is not a negative number nor a positive number. 0 is called the neutral number. So, and when we add negative and positive numbers, when they are together, these form integers.